What if you knew exactly how to build advanced AI agents so that you could sell them to clients or use them inside your business? The same way that I generate more than $100,000 per month selling AI automations and how I streamline my business with AI agents. It's possible, but you need to know when, where, and how to use them properly, because agents can actually make your automations perform worse. I decided to make this video after seeing some confusion inside my AI community, the no-code architects. I noticed a few members were using agents just to use them, even if it made their solution more complex and harder to use. By the end of this video, you'll know what an AI agent actually is and what it is not. You'll know the different types of agents and when to use them and when not to, and how to confidently apply the right agent to the right job every time. So if we look at this diagram here where we have traditional automations and then we introduce AI into those automations, we start to actually have an AI agent when the agent is actually making decisions on how to run the automation. So first up, let's take a look at a standard old school automation. Here we're monitoring an email and we are looking at the contents of that email, and based off of the contents of that email, we are drafting a reply. In one situation, we're going to reply with this email, and in the other situation, we're going to reply with this email. Once we start to introduce AI to the automation, you'll see here that we have a lot of advantages to hard coding the messages as we did in the old school automation. So again, we're not using AI to actually make decisions, but if we run that switch statement here, we're going to see that it found the term refund from within the email here, and then based off of that, took that top route here. And now we can use OpenAI to actually craft a response instead of hard coding that into our module here. Now it's when we get into the routing AI agent that we actually start to develop an AI agent. So let's take a look at this example here. As this email comes in from Gmail, we're actually analyzing it before we send it into the switch module. So you can see here that the AI is going to be able to determine whether or not this is a request for a refund or a question. And beyond that, it doesn't matter whether they use the term refund or money back or however they ask it. The AI is smart enough to see that what we're looking for and then analyze the email for anything that is similar to this request. So it doesn't have to be exactly the strings here. It doesn't have to be exactly refund or money back. As long as it can detect that that's what the customer is looking for, it's going to be able to respond and tell the automation that, hey, this customer is looking for a refund. So in the automation here, we can just simply respond back with what type of email it is, whether it's a general request or a request for refund. Now, if you want to become an expert at AI agents and AI automation, make sure to jump into the No-Code Architects community. You can get tech support, access to beginner courses to get you going. I do live builds and workshops to show you how to think. It's an awesome group. I hope to see you there, but either way, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.